Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download your Facebook profile information. Now let's begin. Initially, on any browser of your choice, simply type facebook.com and hit on enter right now. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply look at how to download our Facebook profile information. On the top right section, next to the notification bell, here's your account. Just click on it. Now from here, lots of settings will pop up, namely settings and privacy, help and support and others. Do note that you can also log out from right here. But right now, simply hit on the settings and privacy button right here. From here, let's again go to settings. You will now be redirected to the settings tab. On the left hand side, there are the settings right there. You can do anything from right here. But right now, we simply want to download our profile information. On the top, right below the account center, you will see something like see more in account center. Just click on it. You will then be redirected to the account center tab. Now as you can see, there are lots of settings here like accounts, MetaPay, ad preferences and such. But right now, we simply want to download our personal information. Right here is something called as your information and permissions. Just click on it. You will then be in the your information and permissions settings. Right here, there will be something like download your information. Just click on it. Now something like this will pop up. What you need to do is simply hit on the download or transfer information button right here. Now it's going to give you a few options, whether you want to download all available option or only specific type of information. Right now I want to download all of my available information, so I'm going to click on this button right here. Now it's giving me two options, whether I want to download to device or transfer to destination. Since I just want to download to my device, I'm going to keep on selecting this option and hit on next. Now in this page, it's going to ask you to create files to download. As you can see, there are lots of options here, but the main thing we want to focus on right now is the date range. Simply click on it. And from here, select the date range till which you want your profile information. I want my profile information for all my time, so here's the button right here. I'm going to click on save right now. Once everything's okay, simply hit on this create files button. Well guys, that's it. Once everything's done, something like this will open up. Once your information is available for download, something like a download button will pop up right here. Just click on it and then your information will be downloaded. Well guys, that's it. That's how you download your profile information. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.